This is our first time camping off-grid, and we did it at Ashurst Lake. Oh, and guess what? We brought a special four-legged guest with us, Pluto! To be totally honest, we are not expert campers by any means, so some things went very right, while other things went very wrong. Stop! Stop! In this trip, we had to successfully set up shelter, make food, make sure Pluto was comfortable, and basically stay alive. Here's how it went down. We pulled up to Ashurst Lake, not really knowing what to expect. This was our first ever off-grid camping trip, and step one was claiming a good spot, which was hard since the entire campsite was super rocky with no flat areas to set up a tent. Check out Lucky running and stumbling around the rocky area trying to find a spot. We settled for this area and then the hustle began. Tent, chairs, doggy bed, all the essentials. This is where the first time camping panic set in. Can we set up everything before it gets dark? I don't know, let's see.
Pull, yep. And it spreads.
Yeah.
What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
Truck's a little hot. Yeah, just for now.
Trees feel so good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness.
We got a little shade in the area that we don't have shade in. Okay, to make it easier for us, I'm gonna back it up.
A little bit more. Stop! Perfect! Woohoo! We are doing it. I'm working on putting together Pluto's bed. This is your bed, Pluto. You're gonna love it, papas. Yes.
I recently just watched a video on it.
Okay, good.
We were so proud of the finished product. Let's do a quick tour.
Okay, so we are not done yet, but this is what we have so far. We were so hungry, so exhausted. We had to just throw the kitchen together real quick. So here is our food, condiments, cutlery, plates, cutting board. We got coffee. We got a little coffee bar station. I love this. Coffee creamers, coffee flavor syrup, and then espresso. We got rice noodles and spring roll wrappers for later. White rice for later. Just veggies and more food. We got a bunch of meal prep. We got a water dispenser, candle for mosquitoes. We got a little cleaning area. And then we have all of our food in here. Look at that. Coffee, drinks, shrimp, food. There's everything in there. Drinks. And then, babe, you just like opened up the truck and this is like our meal prep area, huh?
Yep, we're grilling. We're grilling some burgers right now. We got it seasoned.
Yeah.
And then we got our tent right there.
We got to finish up the setup, right? Or do you want to show the tent already?
You think so?
Yeah, come on. Well, it's pretty much done, right?
Yeah.
We just need like our living room. Yeah. Okay, here's the tent. You go inside and then Lucky got us this cool like little rug area. Oh, you're gonna see something so precious in here. And then, oh, Lucky got us that nice rug. This is our room. Look at our room. Pluto's bed. This is a nice, fuzzy, really soft rug. And look at Pluto. Oh, here's my hat.
He's hanging out.
Yep.
So this is our room so far. We got this nice rug. We got Pluto. We got his thingy.
He's chilling. It's been a long day for him.
Mm-hmm.
It's a lot for him. This is his first time ever camping, so everything is new to him. Plus, he got a little beat up by some mosquitoes, so we're giving him some time alone to just chill.
How you doing, Pluto?
You good, Baba?
He's doing good. He has water.
Yeah, he has plenty of water. He already ate twice. Plus, we're making that burger for him to eat again, so he'll be good.
At this point, we are all starving and looking forward to having burgers for lunch. We've literally been dreaming about these burgers all day. The stove is hot, the patties are sizzling, we are all starving, especially Pluto, and then we forgot the buns. Oh no, Lucky had literally one job. So now we're having burger wraps, burger tacos, I don't even know anymore.
Okay, the original plan was burgers, but Lucky forgot the burger buns. So I made a burger bowl, and Lucky made some Big Mac tacos. And then we have all of the condiments and everything, pickles, and that's what we're having for our first day.
Ate from her on the grill for the first time.
Yeah. And then Pluto just ate his burger.
Pluto just ate, and then we got our couch set up.
Yeah, look at that. That's a whole vibe.
Look at that.
That is a whole vibe right there. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
All right, we're gonna eat.
Honestly, 10 out of 10. Who needs buns when you've got a view like this? After fueling up, it was time to explore. We took a little walk down by the water and let Pluto sniff literally everything. The breeze was amazing and Pluto was living his best life. Honestly, seeing him so happy makes the whole trip worth it.
Chill area, little living room, cute little rugs, a couch, a freaking blow up sofa. OMG, have you ever seen such a thing? Because I have not. And it is so great. And Lucky went all out and got decorative pillows and a decorative throw blanket for our couch just to give it a vibe. This is the coolest thing about camping, is that we don't have to pop a squat by a tree and dig a hole and do that whole thing. We have a little tent for the sole purpose of using the bathroom and showering.
Water here, gray water. Toilet paper,
For dinner, we brought gourmet food to the wild. I tried to make a spring roll, but ended up with a tragic little salad burrito. Look. Yes, I know this plate looks like a bunch of soggy socks, but they actually tasted amazing. Trust me. We also made butter pan and then watched a movie under the stars. Best night ever.
Like right now, we're eating butter pan, and we are watching a movie. Got Pluto right there.
So fun.
Inside the tent. No Pluto.
Do you want to watch a movie?
The next morning was perfect. Calm, quiet, fresh air. We made breakfast and just enjoyed being disconnected for a while.
Bacon eggs.
Bacon eggs in the morning. I don't know.
Oh, that's good.
Close that. For our first off-grid camping trip, this was a win. However, we did learn a lot. For example, I probably wouldn't come back to this specific area since it's super rocky and we kept tripping and stumbling around. Exhibit A. It also doesn't have many trees to protect you from the sun, which makes it super hot at times. Other than these small things, we had the best time ever. If you have any ideal off-grid camping spots, we'd love to hear about them. And if you want to see where we're headed next, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Until next time.